Hi all, welcome to the CA classroom. This video is relevant for those students who have written their CA foundation exams in Jan 21 exams and are unable to clear those exams. To understand, this is the first step in your professional career. It did not go out the way you planned. It's okay. 2020 was an extremely difficult year for most people. Things did not go the way they planned. So not clearing is fine. It might be your first failure in life also after 12th. It's okay. Everybody goes through it. Now there's no point worrying about it. Let's look at the future. In another 3 months time, exactly 3 months time, on 24th June 2021, you have your next attempt for CA foundation, which you can write and clear. If you're anybody who got in the score between 100 to 200, easily you can clear. We have already taken around 50 students from those students who wrote in November 20 CA foundation are unable to clear, and we've been guiding them for now for June 21 attempt. Now we are launching a new batch which is going to start on 25th of March 2021 for CA foundation students, targeting you to clear in the June 24th exam, which is starting for CA foundation. Now let me give you details about this batch. Now first we mentioned this is a free batch. Let's tell you what is there in this batch for you to understand. First, there will be classes for you for all the subjects, maths, accounts, law. Demo, sir, how will these classes look? It will not be like this video. We're using advanced technology. In the description of this video, you can find demo videos for these classes. Both you have online live and recording option available at the same cost. Recording you can watch whenever you want. Online live in the schedule we give, you have to watch it at that time. Second, when will these classes get over? If you're going to take online live along with recording combination, by 30th April itself class will get over. If you're going to take only online live mode, class will go until mid-May. Again, I'm telling you, we had 50 students who didn't clear November 20. We've been guiding them. This also was similar batch. Second, what is most important is test. You need to write more tests now to clear in June 21. Therefore we are conducting at least 3 tests for every week in the subjects, and we are going to increase it as time goes on. We will conduct test and we will correct and give it to you. We are also providing materials for all subjects. Materials is just like handouts which are used in class. Plus, most important, we are also doing personal monitoring. Our team of chartered accountants monitor every student and assess what is important. And that is why we don't take many students in these batches also. Now, this entire course, a normal CA foundation course, we charge 20,000 plus tax for anybody for any course. Since this is a post result batch, we are charging only the following prices. Now, follow the prices. If it is going to be a face-to-face class, our objective is not to make profit, just recover nominal cost like handout cost, material cost, technology cost, and all of that is only rupees 1,000 rupees for face-to-face class. And online mode, whether it is live or recording will be mobile app recording available for you until your exams. Cost is only going to be rupees 1,500 for the entire course. Now students will ask, I want only this topic, I want only this subject, law, I want only accounts, I want only test. Now here it is class plus all test plus materials plus your personal monitoring. Everything comes at a very subsidized price of 1,500. If you take any test series outside itself, subject wise, weekly 3 tests, cost will be more than 1,500. So only test series also, this pricing is a very good price for you. So we don't make any profit out of this. It's only to recover the cost. So this is the pricing. Batch details, demo videos, registration details, everything. If you look at the description of this video, there are links over there. You can contact us and also register. Batch is again starting on 25th of March 2021. We will stop registrations once we get a very small number of 10 to 20 because we don't want to take too many numbers. So all the best for your exams. See what is best. Even if you're not going to join class, if you need any kind of guidance, you can always contact me. I'll help you with the guidance. So thank you for staying till here. All the best for your exams.